Craft Bamboo Racing is an international motorsport team with headquarters in Hong Kong and offices in the UK and Malaysia. We're the official performance team of Mercedes-AMG and have won many championships over the years. Haier is a premium household brand with a focus on innovation, creativity, and forward thinking. Motorsport is the ultimate proving ground for technology and reliability, making it the perfect platform to test the strength of the Haier washing machine motor.
Haier's brief was to power a racing car with a washing machine motor.
At first we thought the idea was impossible, because traditional formula cars have petrol-powered engines. But when we tested the strength of the Haier washing machine motor, we quickly realized it could be done.
The performance is kind of a question of how the car's configured. We've done everything we can to minimise the weight, the mechanical and the aero drag of the car to maximise the 45 Newton meters that we get from the motor. I mean, to get that kind of torque from a domestic appliance anyway is pretty incredible. We had to create bespoke bodywork, a structural frame, and radically adapt the racing gearbox to work with this unique motor. The motor normally runs off a 230 volt AC supply, and we had to power it with a 12 volt battery. So we start with a high power density 12 volt battery. That's fed into a DC AC converter, which changes the output into a single phase AC output. That then goes into a VFD, which is a variable frequency drive, which then changes that from a single phase to a 3-phase output, which then goes to the motor. That's controlled at a range of frequencies, and the frequency controls the speed of the motor. That was the theory. We're just hoping the design works. Okay. Well done, guys. Well done, mate. Haier's patented 2836 electromagnetic motor has had an extremely impressive torque output. It's been very robust, and every day it's just surprised us with what a strong piece of equipment it is. The project's been completely groundbreaking, to be honest. Marrying a washing machine motor to a race car has been one of the most challenging things we've ever done. We're on the last day. It's going to be a late night. Fingers crossed we get it finished. Working with Haier has made us realise that nothing is impossible.